King Carouse here, your Black History buff. As we near the end of Black History Month, let's reflect on why this celebration matters and what it means for Britain today. Black History Month isn't just about looking back, it's about understanding our present and shaping our future. It's a time to celebrate the contributions of Black Britons, yes, but it's also to confront uncomfortable truths about our nation's past and present. This month, we've explored stories of triumph and tragedy, of resistance and resilience, and we've seen how the actions of individuals and communities have shaped the Britain we know today. But why do we need a specific month to focus on Black history? Because for too long, these stories have been overlooked or deliberately erased. Black History Month helps to correct this imbalance, ensuring that the full spectrum of British history is acknowledged and celebrated. It's also about representation. When young Black Britons see themselves reflected in history, it opens up possibilities for their own futures. It tells them that they belong, that their experiences matter, that they too can make history. For non-Black Britons, this month offers an opportunity to gain a more complete understanding of our shared history. It challenges us to confront the legacy of colonialism and racism and consider our role in creating a more equitable society. Black History Month reminds us that diversity is not a modern phenomenon. It's been a part of British identity for centuries. By understanding this, we can better appreciate the multicultural nation we are today. As we move forward, one of our goals should be to integrate Black history fully into our national narrative. Black history is British history, and it should be recognised as such all year round. I encourage you to carry the spirit of Black History Month with you beyond October. Keep learning, keep questioning, keep celebrating the rich tapestry of British history. For those who want to dive deeper, please join my Patreon. Over there, you'll find some exclusive content and resources. It's completely free to join, so come and be part of our community of history enthusiasts. But tell me, how long will you continue to engage with Black British history beyond this month? Share your plans and ideas in the comment section. Stay blessed, and remember, Black history is British history.